Hey guys, so today we're going to change out the front headlight bulbs with this LED. And it comes with a stock xenon headlight, but we're going to upgrade today to LED. I'm using this Purple Tau brand. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. Purple Tau? Maybe. Anyways, we're going to install this on this car, and unfortunately, it's not that simple. You do have to take out the front tire. All right, first thing you got to do is you got to take out the tire. Okay, so next up, you're going to have to take out this cover to get to the headlights behind it. It looks like there's a 10 right here. And these look like 8s. Another one back here. And another one down here. Should be another one here, but looks like my car's missing it. It looks like there's another one right here that I missed. Looks like this one here too. All right, you don't have to take everything off. You just need to pry it off so that you can get to this box right here. So let's remove that cover. Looks like it's some Torx. All right, looks like a T20. Okay, get all those out. And you should be able to take off that cover. And here's the bulb right here. And take these metal pins out. Unhook them. Okay, and take it out, unplug it like that. And there's the old xenon bulb. All right, let's take a look at the new bulb. This is the D1S. Purple Tau. Maybe, I assume that's the way you do it. And they give you some gloves, and this is really normal for headlight companies, and they don't want you to get any of the oils onto the bulb. So if you don't need to use it, as long as you don't touch the bulb, you're going to be fine. Okay. So there's a look at the LED one and the xenon one. All right, let's swap it out. Oh, they got fuses too. Some extra fuses if you need them. So on the LED, there's a fan right there, a heat sink and fan. Keep it nice and cool. All right, let's install it. Okay, installation is just as simple as removal. Plug it in. Try not to touch it on anything. Put it in. All right, that's it. So let's test it before we put everything back. All right, you can see that LED on the left over there is brighter than the old xenon on the right. Looks pretty good. And it's going to be even more pronounced in the dark. So we'll take a look at it later tonight. But now we're going to need to put everything back and just do the exact opposite. When you put it back, you want to start off with a hand screw, with a hand screwdriver, because you don't want to strip it out The threads are just made out of plastic. All right, let's get the covering back on. All right, we'll screw everything back, and then we'll come back at night and check it out. All right, there's the look at night. You can see the right side is slightly brighter. Let's take a look at it. Remember, that's the guy that changed right there. You can see the light. It's a whiter light. And this is a yellow. The Xenon is more yellow. Yeah, I think it looks good.